With its exciting design, state-of-the-art technology and outstanding driving characteristics, the new Mercedes-AMG SL sets standards in the luxury sports car segment. Characteristic features of the body design are the long wheelbase, short overhangs, long hood, passenger compartment set back with a strongly raked windscreen and powerful rear end. This results in typical SL proportions. Together with the voluminously sculpted wheel arches and large alloy wheels flush with the outer skin, they give the Roadster its powerful, dynamic appearance. The AMG-specific radiator grille emphasizes the effect of width of the front and, with its 14 vertical slats, cites the ancestor of all SL models, the legendary 300 SL racing sports car of 1952. Other distinctive design elements include slim, sharply outlined LED headlamps and equally slim LED rear lamps. The new SL is based on a completely new 2+2-seater vehicle architecture developed by Mercedes-AMG. The chassis is designed as a lightweight composite aluminum structure and consists of an aluminum space frame with a self-supporting structure. The design guarantees maximum rigidity and is thus the perfect basis for precise driving dynamics, high comfort, optimal packaging and sporty body proportions. Compared to the previous model series, the torsional rigidity of the body shell structure increased by 18%. The transverse rigidity is 50% higher than the already outstanding value of the AMG GT Roadster. The longitudinal rigidity is 40% higher. The weight of the plain body shell is around 595 pounds. Together with the low center of gravity, the targeted lightweight construction ensures outstanding driving dynamics. The interior of the new Mercedes-AMG SL transforms the tradition of the first 300 SL Roadster into the modern era. The new edition perfectly combines sporting virtues and luxury. Fine materials and meticulous workmanship underline the standard of the highest level of comfort. The cockpit design, right down to the adjustable central display in the center console, is focused on the driver. At the same time, the completely new interior space concept with 2+2 seats offers more room and functionality than before. The rear seats increase the daily practicality and usable space. The minimalist interior of the 300 SL Roadster, equipped with high-quality materials, inspired the designers in the interior design of the new model. The result is an exciting combination of analog geometry and digital world, called hyper-analog. This is exemplified by the fully digital instrument cluster, which is integrated into a three-dimensional visor. The standard Mercedes-Benz infotainment system offers a choice of several specific display styles and different modes. The sportier positioning of the new SL also suggested the decision for an electric soft top instead of the previous metal Vario roof. The 46 pounds reduction in weight and the resulting lower center of gravity have a positive effect on driving dynamics and handling. The space and weight-saving Z-fold makes it possible to dispense with a conventional soft top compartment cover. The front roof cap ensures that the open soft top is flush with the surface in its final position. At the same time, The developers were faced with the task of maintaining the high suitability for everyday use and the exemplary noise comfort. The three-layer design consists of a tightly stretched outer shell, precisely crafted roofliner and the acoustic mat made of high-quality material inserted in between. Opening and closing takes only about 15 seconds and is possible up to a speed of 37 miles per hour. At market launch, the new SL starts with two output levels of the AMG 4-liter V8 biturbo engine. The engines are assembled purely by hand at the company's site in Affalterbach, according to the one-man, one-engine principle. In the top model SL63, the engine develops 577 horsepower and provides a maximum torque of 590 pound-feet over a wide rev range from 2,500 to 4,500 RPM. Accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes an estimated 3.5 seconds. For use in the SL, the engine received a new oil pan, repositioned intercoolers and active crankcase ventilation. The intake and exhaust ducts have been optimized for even more effective gas exchange, and the exhaust gas routing for the catalytic converter box and petrol particulate filter has been enlarged. The developers achieved the increased output of the SL63 primarily through higher boost pressure and greater airflow, as well as modified engine software. To sum up, the 8-cylinder engine thrills with its exceptional power delivery and powerful acceleration in all engine speed ranges combined with maximum efficiency for low consumption and emission values. The AMG SpeedShift MCT9G transmission combines an emotionally appealing gearshift experience with extremely short shift times and is specially adapted to the requirements of the new SL. For the first time in its almost 70-year history, the SL is available with a drive system acting on all four wheels. The Mercedes-AMG SL63 are equipped with AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive technology as standard. The innovative AMG Active Ride Control suspension with active hydraulic anti-roll stabilization makes its debut in the SL63. The biggest innovation: active hydraulic elements replace the conventional mechanical anti-roll bars and compensate for rolling movements of the new SL in fractions of a second. The new SL arrives in dealerships in the first half of 2022.